Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. We've all been there, blocking someone on Snapchat in a burst of anger or annoyance. But what if you later decide it was a mistake and want to unblock them? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to do it, how to unblock someone on Snapchat. So first of all, of course we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can tap on the up left corner on your profile on here, on your Bitmoji on here. You can tap on the up right corner on the settings on the gear icon on here. You can tap on that. You can scroll down. You can scroll down and you'll see on account section, account actions section, there is an option block users. You can tap on that. You can see here's all the block users on your account. If you want to unblock them, one of them, you can choose on the, maybe for the example, I will choose this one, this user. You can just tap on the X on here. Are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? You can tap on yes. So now the account will be removed from this block users list. Now you can interact with that account anymore. It's so simple, right? So that is how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!